Hey loves, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make locks on a short hair. Firstly, we'll be needing eco styling gel, the lock itself, crochet pin, combs, elastic band. Now I'll be combing my hair and I'm going to start the center part from the front so I get a straight line. Now I'm just trying to bring my short baby hairs out with my styling gel. Now I'll be applying styling gel to the edges of where I created a straight part so it could hold the hair in place. So I'm going to be parting one in form of a box shape. I'm adding styling gel to put it in place now. Now I'll be wrapping my elastic band to make it hold. Ta-da! After that, I'll be applying the same process again.
A few moments later.
So I just kept on applying the process and this is the final look for it. This is what the locks look like. I just took one, you can see the hole in it. Now I'm putting in my crochet pin in between my scalp and the elastic band. And I'm also going to pass it into the crochet hole and drag it out. Now I'm going to take the end of the locks and pass it into the locks hole and draw it out tight. Now I took another locks and I'm going to lose it till it looks like a Brazilian wool. And I'm going to comb it till it's smooth. Now I'm just going to use it to wrap my hair and the locks so they can look natural like the lock itself. You can wrap it to any length you want depending on your hair length. Here we have it, my natural hair isn't showing anymore. Now we we are going to repeat the same process all through till the end. Now this is the finishing process. Here's the final look. I'll be adding my above ear mousse to make the finishing look smooth. And here's the final result. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.